Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the third unit, which is divided into two parts. The first part is the poem Little by Little. We will read the first paragraph of the poem first, the first stanza, and then we will go on with the second stanza. Okay? Name of the poem is Little by Little. Here in this poem, the process of growing from a seed to a small plant and from a plant to a tree is explained. Here the poet is trying to give you some information about how a seed grows from the perspective of a seed, how a seed must be feeling when it grows. Okay, so we shall read now. The first line is, little by little an acorn said. Acorn is the seed of an oak tree. Here you can see these are the leaves of the oak tree, and here is an acorn. This is what an oak tree really looks like. So as I said, this poem is from the point of view of a seed, what a seed is saying. The second line is, as it slowly sank into its mossy bed. Sank means went deep into the soil. Now the soil is mossy. Mossy means soft and spongy and little wet. So a seed needs lots of moisture for it to grow. Moisture means the softness, the wetness of the soil. A lot of nutrients, which are like for us we need food to grow. Same way the plants also need some food to grow, which is provided by the soil. Then a seed needs sunlight to grow, water to grow. So same way as we need water, we need food, same way the seed also needs some important ingredients which it needs to grow. So here the seed is lying inside the mossy bed. Mossy bed means inside the soil. Third line is, I am improving every day. Here the meaning of improving is growing every day. Here you can see the roots are growing, a small stem is sprouting out of the seed. Fourth line is, hidden deep in the earth away. So the seed is, where is the seed? It is inside the soil, deep in the earth. That means deep in the ground, deep in the soil. It is hidden away with the soil. The next line is, little by little each day it grew. So slowly the seed is growing. Little by little it sipped the dew. Dew means the water droplets, the drops of water which are formed on the plants at night. So those are called dew drops. The second stanza is like this. The first line is, downward it sent out a thread-like root. Now over here in this picture you had seen that these are some thread-like roots. The roots which are there, they look like threads. So here the poet is telling that downward it sent out a thread-like root. Second, up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Now here again you can see that the small plant which is growing upwards is known as shoot, and the roots and the thread like things which are growing down, those are known as roots. Third line, day by day and year by year. Day by day and year by year means every day and throughout the year the plant is growing. Little by little the leaves appear. Now slowly as the plant is growing, the leaves start to appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide. Now the branches are growing and they are spreading out far and wide. The last line, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Now since forest is the biggest tree in the forest, so it is the pride of forest. Like they say, no, the main object of the forest. Now here you can see the oak tree, how huge it is. So other trees which are there in the forest, they are smaller than that, and the oak tree is very, very huge when it grows completely. So he is like the king of the forest. So that's why it is said that till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Now here it is the pride of the forest. I hope that you all enjoyed this poem. Have a good day. Thank you.